Ida has left more than 1 million Americans along the Gulf Coast without power, and parts of New Orleans could be in the dark for weeks. At least 4 people have died from the storm, which was the 5th strongest hurricane ever to make landfall in the United States. Omar Villafranca is in Bridge City, just outside of New Orleans, where crews have been working around the clock. Omar, good morning.
Good morning. This is one of the main reasons why the power is out in New Orleans metro area. This tower stood about 400 feet tall. Not anymore. Ida's winds tore it down. And now hospitals, police departments, and others are running on generators, and no one is sure when the power will be back on.
As Hurricane Ida and its 150-mile-per-hour winds crashed into Louisiana's Gulf Coast, the storm left almost as quickly as it roared in, taking much of the region's electricity with it. The toppled utility poles and tangled power lines in these pictures have more than 25,000 electricity workers in Louisiana scrambling to restore what they can. But it's a big job. More than 2,000 miles of transmission lines went out of service, along with 216 power substations.
Our 911 infrastructure right now is not operable.
Here is a big part of the problem. This massive electrical tower lying on its side is responsible for shuttling power across the Mississippi and into New Orleans, and its transmission lines are now underwater. New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell.
City agencies have been out since daybreak. They're going block by block, neighborhood by neighborhood.
And that includes some of the state's most vulnerable. Dr. Mark Klein is a physician-in-chief at Children's Hospital in New Orleans. It's still running on generators. He worries about an uptick in COVID cases among kids because of the storm.
Our concern now is that if we congregate a lot of people in closed spaces indoors, in shelters, for example, we could reverse some of the gains that we've made. We really don't want to see that happen.
39 medical facilities are running on generator power so they can keep on providing care to their patients. Entergy, the power company, says it's going to take them at least 4 days just to do a damage assessment, so it could be weeks before power is restored here. Tony?
It's a long time, Omar. Thank you very much.